Hey y'all, I'm super excited about this little knit kit. I haven't done a knit kit in a while, and while I do get to sort of put together knitting kits for the cottage industry yarn subscription, I wanted to do something that was a little bit bigger and a little bit more special, and I basically just wanted an excuse to get some of these fabulous bags from Twice Sheared Sheep. I absolutely loved the dark background and the moths and the flowers and the little stars. I just felt like it was the perfect transition into cooler weather, and I was going into we go into fall. I definitely get in the fall sort of mood every year around Labor Day. That's kind of when I draw the line in the sand saying hey, it's going to be time for cooler weather. I'm willing it to happen. So this was something I wanted to film when I was at Lake Lure with my mom. And so we did a little unboxing of this particular kit. And so following these clips, you will see the unboxing of why I think this is so cool. And I just can't wait to share it with you. All right, who's excited to unbox this bag with me? So first off, you see it starts with the handle, which I think would be really great because you can even hold it on your wrist if you were trying to do like a portable knitting situation. It's got one long zipper on the top as well as an extra zipper pocket on the bottom. This particular kit's going to come with 2 skeins of yarn, which is the Shoniko tweed that you can read more about in the description, but it's definitely one of my new favorite neutrals. So I figured that way everybody could make whatever it was that they were wanting. I know I think that this would be a great kind of lacy shawl moment. So you get 2 skeins of yarn as well as the bag and then a knitting accessory, which is one of my favorites. It's a row counter, and so you will see that here in a minute. I'm super excited about this kit. It's sort of a extra special version, and it's a standalone version of our cottage industry yarn subscription. So you would get this row counter from Twice Sheared Sheep with a turquoise bead on the bottom, and it is one of the silver ones, as well as this bag, which was nicer than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be nice, but it was even nicer than I was expecting as far as the quality of the canvas, the quality of the zippers, and then it's got the vegan leather strap as well as base to keep it clean. And inside will come 2 skeins of the Shanico wool yarn, which you can see more details about that in the listing. And the yarn of Shanico wool I've really fallen in love with is from Sheep out of Oregon, and they are sort of a cross between Rambouillet and Merino, and then this particular yarn has tweed involved, so you can once again see more of that in the listing. So you get 2 skeins of that, as well as the turquoise row counter, the silver row counter with turquoise bead from Twice Sheared Sheep, which helps you keep track of how many rows you have knitted, and so that's, obviously super helpful with keeping your pattern straight, as well as this bag. And I'm also going to include a coupon for our cottage industry yarn subscription for 50% off if you would like to try that. If you, after getting this, decide that supporting lots of small indie fiber arts businesses is something you would like to know more about. But I just had to film this while we were at Lake Lure because it was so beautiful and it was such a nice travel project.